What if I told you there's a smartphone with a huge 9,000 mAh battery, a bright 1.5K AMOLED display, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and even a rumored 200 megapixel camera? Sounds incredible, right? Well, that's exactly what the Redmi Note 17 Pro could bring. But is it really the next budget king? Or is it just another phone full of hype? Let's find out! Let's start with the design. The Redmi Note 17 Pro is expected to come with a premium flat-frame design that looks modern and stylish. It should also feature Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making the display much more resistant to scratches and accidental drops. Another exciting feature is its IP69K rating, which means better protection against dust and water. That's a big advantage for users who want a durable smartphone. On the front, Redmi is expected to use a beautiful 1.5K flat AMOLED display. The screen is rumored to reach 3,500 nits of peak brightness, making HDR content look bright and colorful. Whether you're watching YouTube, playing games, or scrolling through social media, this display should deliver a premium viewing experience. Now let's talk about the biggest highlight of this phone. Earlier rumors suggested a 10,100 mAh battery, but the latest reports have corrected that information. The Redmi Note 17 Pro is now expected to feature a 9,000 mAh battery. Even though it's smaller than the original rumor, a 9,000 mAh battery is still massive. It could easily last up to 2 days for many users, depending on how they use their phone. The phone is also expected to support 67W fast charging, so charging such a large battery shouldn't take too long. There's another useful feature called 22.5W reverse charging. This allows the Redmi Note 17 Pro to work like a power bank, so you can charge your earbuds, smartwatch, or even another phone. Redmi is also promising long battery life. Reports say that if the battery health drops below 80% within 4 years, users may qualify for a free battery replacement under the company's program. For performance, the Redmi Note 17 Pro is rumored to use the new Snapdragon 6 Gen Y processor. This chipset should deliver smooth everyday performance, fast app launching, and good multitasking. It should also handle popular games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, and Free Fire without major issues. Now let's talk about the camera. Leaks suggest that the Redmi Note 17 Pro could feature a 200 megapixel main camera. While Redmi hasn't officially confirmed this yet, if it's true, users can expect highly detailed photos, better zoom performance, and improved image quality. However, since this camera specification is still based on leaks, we'll have to wait for the official launch to know the complete details. So should you wait for the Redmi Note 17 Pro? If these leaks turn out to be true, this phone could become one of the best mid-range smartphones of the year. With a 9,000 mAh battery, 67W fast charging, 1.5K AMOLED display, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, IP69K protection, Snapdragon 6 Gen Y processor, and a possible 200 megapixel camera, it offers an impressive package. But remember, some of these specifications are still based on leaks and rumors. We'll know the final details once Redmi officially launches the phone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smartphone reviews, comparisons, and the latest tech updates.